friends hold them. I still feel that Nokia Lumia 920 is the best in the price range that we are looking at. The first and foremost thing that when we talk about a smartphone, we talk about what great the features are there. So the first feature that I can talk about very proudly is about the maps. We have our maps in this phone. And we have maps, drive, public transit, and augmented reality. They are the best. Why? Because 4 out of 5 cars uses our phone, our maps. Second, it also gets updated very frequently now because we are doing here.com and also we are going for rapid refresh. So probably weekly basis, monthly basis, it gets updated. Our maps are like 3.2 million changes we make every day. Amazing. The another amazing thing I like it is voice guided. It can work offline. You don't have to have a data plan. It can work offline. You can actually download whole world into it if you have storage. The second thing that I wanted to talk about is PureView imaging. How many of you use a separate photographs from a point and shoot or a SLR? How many of you use every day? Okay, I don't, because SLR is hassle. You have to carry, and you cannot give it to somebody else to take a picture. You are afraid because they may throw it or they may not use it. And believe me or not, I bought SLR like 10, 15 years back. I've used for like probably 5 trips, and it's lying there. You cannot even understand all the features. It's very difficult. So PureView Technologies is excellent because it has the low light, daylight, sunlight, and 1080p HD, which is the best video, best imaging out there. We have compared with S3, we have compared with iPhone, still it is the best. Unofficially, there is a comparison with S4, even it is best with S4. Okay, I cannot talk more than that. Windows 8 OS. I really like Windows because I grew up with Windows. Last 15, 16 years, I used various forms of Windows. I like it because of one great feature. When you go here, if you just swipe like this, you go to your page. When you swipe like this, it goes to my son's. So this is called Kids Corner. When I gave my iPhone to my son, he's like 5-year-old, he actually deletes some icons, apps, he will zigzag, he will regroup, whatever he wants, he will do it. But with this, he cannot, because he can do whatever he wants. It's his own space. I have a peace of mind. Okay. And the second thing I like about it is the live tiles, and you can see exactly how many emails, text messages, all those things just by looking at it. I don't have to even open it because I have nothing here, no updates. So the live tiles are a great way to understand, and it saves you a lot of time. The third thing that I talked about is MS Office, SkyDrive, all those things, great features. The next one that I want to talk about is wireless charger. It's a revolution, isn't it? This is the first time wireless charger introduced in a smartphone, officially used. NFC, there are so many features, amazing. There's no comparison with the iPhone in terms of maps. You just have to laugh, right? Their maps quality and our maps quality. The next one is colors. You know, when I pre-ordered this, my son and myself, we fighted. For like a week, I said yellow, he said red. Believe me or not. Amazing. My wife has white, okay, because we couldn't get yellow. No comparison. None of the phones have this beautiful color, this beautiful screens, this beautiful resolution. Some phones are this way, some phones are this way. This is perfect in terms of resolution, size, width, height, all those things. Amazing. The next feature that I want to talk about is the storage, hardware. It is 32 GB, comes with it. If you have to get 32 GB of iPhone, which is like 200, 300 bucks, it is zero. Believe me or not. And then it comes to the Gorilla screen. Actually, I have like a 1.5-year-old daughter. So I was holding her and talking. and she did like this. So it fell down from here to the concrete road, nothing happened. I cannot say that with iPhone because people in US spend almost $5 billion for fixing iPhones. Screens every year. Amazing. The next one is apps. Many people talk about apps. We claim that we have 48 out of top 50 apps. And we also have a great apps from Nokia, like a lenses. You can do smart shoot. I think Ryan can help more because he did a great deal of things. Absolutely, it is the best. And I also wanted to mention about Express browser. We have, if you want to save the data plan, up to 83% of data plan you can reduce by using Express browser. Easy. The next one that I wanted to talk about is I have a GPS, Garmin GPS, which is $300. I have a Canon point and shoot, which is like $250 I paid. I have like a Sony camcorder, like $350 or $400 I spent. Believe me, where are they? I don't even know where I kept it. Almost $1,000 I used this day and day. I captured lots of moments with my daughter and my son. Imagine when they were doing some funny acts, you don't want to go and search for a camera. Okay, this is the best. And I really like Windows Phone 920. Thank you.